Dear customer, welcome to our virtual showroom. Today we want to talk about steering and scanning of laser beams. Use cases you find in image stabilization, for example in astronomy, material processing like medical eye surgery, or even metal processing like writing and cutting. Also, laser communication between satellites is an issue. What we see here as an example is a pulsed laser going to a tilting mirror, hitting a fiber array, and as a result we come to a display which shows PI because this tilting mirror is from PI. The advantages of piezo-based tilting mirrors are very high dynamic, high precision, fast step and settle, very compact size. Whatever steering application you have, ask us at PI, we find a solution for you.